Hey guys, I'm Prateek. These days, most of us are confused how to engage or refrain our kids. Kids prefer watching mobile phone, TV excessively, which is very harmful for them. So it's time for you to implement our reward-based technique. With this technique, kid is going to get disciplined and also learn the value of time and money. What you need to do is you need to give kid a box full of coins and prepare a rate chart. In this rate card, there are ways to spend and earn the coins. Set the charges really high for the things that are bothering you and comparatively lower prices for the earning section. Set the charges in such a way that the rate card seems genuine to the kid. To play the game, follow these steps. Step 1. Motivation. To start, give your kid enough coins to enjoy 1 or 2 days without doing anything. Have patience, don't force your kid. Once your kid is into the game, you can start executing the step 2 in parallel. Step 2 is planting a mole. Any one member from the family, for example father, becomes a trustworthy friend of the kid. He tells kid how good the game is for him, he's the king now, he can do whatever he wants, but the main role of father is to help the kid to manage his money, advise him to earn more and keep him motivated to play the game. Step 3. Turning the things your way. Once the kid has completely exhausted all his coins, it will be really hard for the kid to earn more coins to spend. Now is the time to make kid do whatever you want because now earning is his need. When kid has no coins, he will start throwing the tantrum to gain back the control and fulfill his needs. So you need to stay firm with the rules. Be very polite with the kid and calmly reply him, beta, you need to give me some coins if you want to do something. Don't try to convince the kid. Convincing and consoling part of the game will be done by the friend you have planted. There are few things to keep in mind while playing this game. This is an extrinsic motivation technique, so do use it only till the lockdown. This technique requires a lot of planning and precision to implement. You need a lot of family coordination. Don't try to overpower your kids, and in parallel you can teach your kid the concept of calculation and counting depending on their ages. Hope this technique will help you to gain back the control. Thank you.